Hello, this is Chris Andrews, Commercial Fleet Manager here at Rothrock Motor Sales. We carry Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, and Nissan products, as well as all Ram commercial products. And we're in the process of starting up a new product line for performance trucks, lifted trucks, such as this TECSTAR Ram 1500 Bighorn. We will also be carrying Sherrod, SCA, Black Widow, Rocky Mountain trucks, and Rocky Ridge. This TECSTAR is a 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn with a 6-inch heavy-duty lift kit. Also have 37-inch Mickey Thompson Baja ATZ tires on 20-inch custom black and milled wheels. Very nice product. They do put the fender flares, painted fender flares with back bolts on, so legal-wise, this is the Intruder Package, which includes a hood scoop and fender vents, body side molding. You also have your Black Horse running boards. This product also comes with black diamond stitch leather interior with a 12-inch screen. Very well equipped. And then all the Intruder badging, as well as custom exhaust package on the back, so it has a nice sound to it. The Intruder, all the logos and badging are all black, so it stands out nicely on the silver background. Again, TECSTAR product, everything is fully factory warranty, so there is no loss in your warranty because TECSTAR is an approved Ram upfitter, so it has no effect on your warranty. If you are interested in this trucks, I have different colors. Feel free to give me a call, 484-223-0623. Thank you.